Maganda. Ikaw, nasa iyo na nga ang camera eh. Anong message mo kay Ate Beth?
Ay po, tita, happy birthday. Stay, maganda palagi.
At ikaw naman.
Ate Betchay, happy birthday! I am very happy to be your friend at sana lagi ka maging masayahin at maging kengkay all the way. Happy birthday! God bless!
Ikaw.
Ate Beth, happy birthday. Thank you for your good friend for me. God bless.
Hi, Tita Betcha. Happy birthday. And stay healthy lang palagi.
Hi, Tita Ganda. Happy birthday. Thank you for your previous years na of your friendship and always be humble and bless your good heart.
Happy birthday, Beth. God bless.
Pwede yung PM send na lang. Happy birthday. Alam niya na yun.
Happy birthday. Cheers.
Happy birthday, Ate Beth. Lagi mo kaming pakainin.
Siyempre ako rin. Ano?